Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve this beautiful math square root simplification problem. Square root of 16 over 4 minus square root of 15. We want to solve this in an easy way. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. But if you have a better method, kindly put it in the comment section. Solution. We have the given math problem square root of 16 over 4 minus square root of 15. Take note of this, that we have 4 minus square root of 15, then the conjugate is equal to 4 plus square root of 15. Now at this point, let us multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of this denominator. That is, we have square root of 16 multiplied by the conjugate of the denominator is 4 plus square root of 15 over 4 minus square root of 15 multiplied by 4 plus square root of 15. This is equal to square root of, here we have 16 multiplied by 4 plus square root of 15 over the denominator is 4 square minus square root of 15 square. This is equal to 16 multiplied by 4, that is 64, plus 16 multiplied by root 15, that is 16 root 15 over the denominator is, this square will cancel this, we have 4 square minus 15 and square root. This is equal to square root of 64 plus 16 root 15 over 4 square, that is 16 minus 15. Then this is equal to square root of, we have 64 plus 16 root 15 over 16 minus 15, this is 1. Then this is equal to, if you divide 64 plus 16 root 15 by 1, we have square root of 64 plus 16 root 15. And this is equal to square root of, we have 64 plus 16 can be written as 2 multiplied by 8, then multiplied by root 15. Note that 8 is the same thing as square root of 64. And this is equal to square root of 64 plus 2 multiplied by 8 is now square root of 64 multiplied by square root of 15. Then if you have root a multiplied by root b, this is the same thing as root ab. This is equal to square root of 64 plus 2 multiplied by square root of 64 multiplied by 15, and this is equal to 64, the square root here, plus 2 multiplied by square root of 64 here is 8 multiplied by 8, then multiplied by 15 is 3 multiplied by 5. Now let's take this to this and this to this. This is equal to square root of 64 plus 2 multiplied by, here we have square root of here 8 times 5, that is 40, multiplied by 8 times 3, 24. This is equal to, then all of these can be written as square root of, we have square root of 40 all square plus 2 multiplied by square root of 40 multiplied by square root of 24 plus square root of 24 all square. That is, if you have a plus b square, this is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then from here, a is equal to square root of 40, b is equal to square root of 24, and this is in the form of this. This is equal to square root of root 40 plus square root of 24 all square. This cancel this. This is equal to square root of 40 plus square root of 24. Then this is equal to square root 40 is same thing as 8 multiplied by 5. Then 24 is equal to 8 multiplied by 3. We know that before. Square root of 8 multiplied by 5 plus square root of 8 multiplied by 3. Then this is equal to square root of 8 multiplied by square root of 5 plus square root of 8 multiplied by square root of 3. Square root of 8 is common. Let's bring it out. This is equal to square root of 8 bracket square root of 5 plus square root of 3. 8 is equal to 4 multiplied by 2. This is equal to square root of 4 multiplied by 2 bracket square root of 5 plus square root of 3. This is equal to square root of 4 is 2, then root 2 bracket square root of 5 plus square root of 3. And this is the final answer. Therefore, our answer here is square root of 16 over 4 minus square root of 15 is equal to 2 root 2 bracket square root of 5 plus square root of 3. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.